Hey you guys, so I'm here with a quick update on this wig that I received from LavyHair.com. And you guys, I got this hair about maybe 4 to 5 months ago and it's still holding up. As you can see, it's a 360 and it does have combs all around the wig and it also has adjustable straps. So this is what the hair looks like after it's been freshly washed and conditioned, and I just let it air dry. So this is the natural texture of the hair, and I will leave all of the details to this hair down below in the description box. So I wanted to try a little something different because I believe the hair came to me straight. So I didn't even know that it waved up the way it does. And as you can see, I didn't receive any type of tangling or shedding. I am using a really little comb, so it may appear that I have some tangling, but I really don't. So yeah, if I would have used a bigger comb, it wouldn't have been a problem. But as you guys can see, the hair, the natural texture of the hair after it's been washed is absolutely gorgeous. I have zero issues with this hair for the whole time that I've had it. I don't have it adhered to my head, so that's another good thing about this wig is the cap size fit perfectly, and I absolutely love it.
I can show you it all. Yeah, yeah. Don't nobody know while I'm on a roll, all up in Japan.
So although I love the wavy texture that the hair gave me, I absolutely love this hair even more when it's straight. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just going to go in with my heat protecting serum, and it's also a hair straightening oil in one. And I'm just putting that throughout the hair. And then I'm going to go in with my flat iron and also my curling wand just to make that part look a little more realistic. And, you know, just flatten it down because as you can see, there was a little hump there. You guys, I did not bleach these knots on this unit. I didn't have to put any concealer in the parting space. What you see is what you get with this unit. And if you're interested in it, again, all of the information will be down below in the description box. Again, this is 4 months later, 4 to 5 months later, that this hair still looks good. And I've worn it a few times and it's still absolutely gorgeous. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.